till Monday. Tuesday she fell in love with me, and by Friday she wanted my baby. You see, her boyfriend always used to treat her badly because she used to play him dirty. One day she'll do the same to me, but for now I'm taking it easy. Howdy, 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 hi. Howdy, 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 ho. Hee-dee, hee-dee. Howdy, 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 ho. Za-zoo-za-zoo-za-zoo-zee. Za-zoo-za-zoo-za-zoo-zee. Wasn't looking. That punk tried to play me out, but I'ma set him up on the right route. Yeah, you see him catching him at the local disco. It doesn't matter if it's New York or Frisco. I'm gonna put that head to bed, and when it's over, the subject is dead. Howdy, 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 hi. Howdy, 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 ho. Hee-dee, hee-dee. Howdy, 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 ho. Za-zoo-za-zoo-za-zoo-zee. With my friends, but I'm hardly ever with them. If I have static, I just drop a dime. What's up? And they're with me in no time. And when I swing, we swing. And when we throw, here we go. Throw up your hands and just say ho. Ho. Meet me round a quarter to 10. And don't forget to bring your pop friends. Howdy, howdy.